Oh, you hear it charging? Get the fuck out of here. Solga's like, I've never seen that before. What the hell is that? What's up?
You know what? I saw a guy. This is down in Riverside.
Uh-huh.
On the I saw this thing coming, and this looked like something standing straight up, doing about 85 or 90 miles an hour. It was a guy on a motorcycle passing cars on one wheel.
Oh, Honda Grom.
A Honda drone?
A Honda Grom. G-R-O-M.
G-R-O-N.
Yeah, Grom. Yeah. Don't run away, guys. Don't follow you. Have a good one, you guys. See you later. I think that was like a daycare. Something. And now we're off to Dotsonville swap meet, which is this guy's front yard, which is full of all kinds of Datsun shit. See how that goes. Hopefully we can sell these wheels or get some dope shit.
Motherfucking mud bog? No. We're gonna get stuck. I'm parking here.
I got you, girl. Spaghetti. Yeah, bro. Works pretty. Why you touching my shit, bitch? You got it fucking so bad. You want 38? No, that's what it was at.
Last I saw was 65, so.
Yeah, it's at 38 right now, you dumb fuck.
Yeah, I know. Last time I clicked
It's gonna pump up to
said
fucking
65.
You pissing me off.
I'm in the back seat. It tastes April Fools.
You remind me of
Bro, wet willies, whole wet. Says 57.
right now?
Sure.
What did it say?
6.
Holy shit!
You just let off at 57.
Bro, it said it's a 55.
I'm trying to sell it! Fuck ass!
This is how you use it. This is how you use it. No, dude, you're making a new thing.
Hey, you gotta rep the hose.
NASCAR.
Fuck.
Dale, do it for Dale,
You got
bitch.
another ratchet in your hand, motherfucker.
You got.
I tried giving it to you. Use it.
Oh, dude, it's gang as fuck. Look, we got baked bean gangs. Baked beans.
Feeling like the shit, I can never take a loss. Got a 100 in a whip, neck dripping water vase. Designer on my body.